Hello guys! Welcome back po ulit dito sa aking page. So for this video, we will simplify square root of AB over cube root of AB. So if magkaka-encounter kayo ng ganito, the first thing that you have to do is to express the square root into exponential form. So bale, we will rewrite it as A times B over itong cube root, we can rewrite that one as 1/3. Okay, so rewrite natin. So that's AB, wait, raise ko muna. A, okay, tapos B, tapos raise to 1/3. Okay, that's the cube root. And then itong square root natin, this one, okay, we will rewrite that one as raised to 1/2 because everything is raised to 1/2. Okay? And then, sa properties of exponent, pwede po natin itong si 1/2, i-distribute natin siya dito sa ating numerator as well as to our denominator. So, we can rewrite it like this. A, B, raised to 1/2. And then, as well as dito, A times B, that's, we have 1/3, tapos, meron pang 1/2. Again, sa properties of exponent, we will just multiply this one. So, magiging 1/6 yan. And then, ang 1/2 dito, we can just distribute it. So, we will rewrite it as A raised to 1/2, tapos B raised to 1/2 over, ito, 1/3 times 1/2 is 1/6. So, distribute natin 1/6. Okay, and then, si B is 1/1/6. Okay, 1/1/6. And then, we will just divide ito, si A, because siya yung may magkaparehas na base, at saka itong si B din. So, if we will divide that, their exponent will be subtracted. So, if we will divide that, lagay natin dito, that will become A. Copy lang natin yung common, yung base niya. That will become A. Tapos, yung exponent niya, subtract lang natin. So, 1/2 minus 1/6. So, let's write here, 1/2 minus 1/6. Then, copy natin si B. Okay, yan si B. Lagay natin beside it, B. And then, same, the exponents, copy din natin. Okay, masasubtract din siya, 1/2 minus 1/6. So, if you will use your calculator or you know how to subtract fractions, ayan. So, magiging answer natin dyan is A, 1/2. Okay, minus 1/6 is 1/3. So, lagay natin dyan. So, then, copy natin si B. Ito. Then, same, 1/2 minus 1/6 is 1/3. Or you can write that one as A, kasi parehas po ang kaniyang exponent, times B raised to 1/3. So, yan na po yung ating final answer.